ChatGPT is a large-scale language model trained by OpenAI. It was trained using text data from the internet and is capable of generating human text from a given prompt. It is often used to create automated dialogues, generate creative text, and answer questions. ChatGPT works using what is known as deep learning, specifically, using a neural network called transformer. During training, the model was fed large amounts of text from the internet, which allowed it to learn to understand and generate text. When the model is given a prompt, it uses what it learned during training to generate a response. It does this by using mathematical algorithms to think about what the most likely answers should be, based on what it has learned during training. It is noteworthy that, as ChatGPT was trained with data from the internet, it can reflect the opinions, beliefs, and idiosyncrasies present in this data. So, it is important to be careful and consider the possibility of bias when using the model. Uses of ChatGPT include: generate automated text such as news, product descriptions, story summaries, and chatbot dialogues. Completing incomplete sentences or paragraphs. Generate code or technical content. Sentiment analysis. Generate questions and answers. Text summarization. Automatic translation. And much more. You can access ChatGPT through the OpenAI API. This allows you to send HTTP requests to the model and receive responses in text format. You will need an API key, which you can obtain by creating a free account on the OpenAI website. There are also third-party libraries available to access the model in different programming languages such as Python and JavaScript. Additionally, OpenAI makes the GPT-3 model available on its OpenAI GPT-3 Playground service, where you can test and experiment with the model without having to write code. Muitas empresas estão usando o ChatGPT e seus modelos similares para ajudar a automatizar tarefas de escrita e geração de linguagem. Alguns exemplos incluem: gerar automaticamente descrições de produtos para e-commerce. Criar diálogos automatizados para chatbots. Gerar conteúdo para sites e blogs. Escrever respostas automatizadas para e-mails e mensagens de atendimento ao cliente. Gerar automaticamente perguntas e respostas para sistemas de FAQ. Gerar automaticamente texto para anuncios e campanhas de marketing. Além disso, o modelo GPT-3, que é uma evolução do ChatGPT, é amplamente utilizado em diferentes aplicações, desde geração de código a tradução automática e muitos outros usos. Muitas startups e empresas estão explorando maneiras de usar esses modelos para melhorar seus negócios e automatizar tarefas manuais. There are several ways to earn money with ChatGPT. Some of them include: development of custom chatbot applications for companies and organizations. Automated content creation such as articles and stories using the ChatGPT language template. Using the ChatGPT language model to create virtual assistants to help people accomplish tasks. Using the ChatGPT language model to create automatic response generation systems for question and answer websites. Using the ChatGPT language model to create text generation systems for marketing and advertising campaigns. Using the ChatGPT language model to create text generation systems for creating content for social networks. Using the ChatGPT language model to create text generation systems for creating content for news sites. More about this source text required for additional translation information. Send feedback. Side panels. If this knowledge brought some benefit to your life, then I ask you to join the channel, leave your like and share this video, because every week here on the Technological Trail channel we have new videos to make your life easier, bring knowledge and evolve. Thank you to you who stayed until the end, and I'm going to leave another video here that I'm sure you'll also like.